Now we're going to dive into a really helpful resource for many taxpayers, especially those with lower incomes, the Free File Program. This scenario features Swift, who is exploring her free file options. Swift is single and earned $60,000 last year. She's comfortable with technology, but a bit overwhelmed by the different free file options. So let's start with the basics. Sam, who qualifies for the IRS Free File Program, and what are the different options available?
The IRS Free File Program is designed for taxpayers whose adjusted gross income is below a certain threshold. For the 2024 tax year, it's $79,000. There are two main pathways within Free File. First, there's IRS Direct File, a new offering that lets you file directly through the IRS website. Second are the guided tax software options offered by various partner companies. These programs offer different features, levels of guidance, and sometimes state tax filing options, even if the federal filing is free.
So, if I make less than $79,000, I could potentially file my federal taxes for free. That sounds amazing. But what's the difference between filing directly through the IRS and using one of the guided software options?
A great question, Taylor. IRS Direct File provides a straightforward way to file if your tax situation is relatively simple. It's a bare-bones, no-frills option, designed for those who don't need a lot of hand-holding. The guided tax software, on the other hand, offers more features like importing W-2 information, error checking, and contextual help with tax laws. They often have a more user-friendly interface, especially if your situation involves credits or deductions.
It's like choosing between a basic calculator and a scientific calculator, Taylor. One gets the job done for simple calculations, while the other provides more functions for complex situations.
Okay, that makes sense. So if I'm comfortable doing my own taxes, but want some extra guidance, the guided software is probably a better fit.
Exactly. Plus, some of the guided software packages might also offer free state tax filing, which isn't always included with IRS Direct File. You'd have to check the specific details of each offer.
Sam, what are some of the limitations of using IRS Direct File versus the guided software?
IRS Direct File, while free and simple, might not be suitable for everyone. It doesn't support every tax form or schedule. For example, if you have self-employment income or itemized deductions, you might find it limiting. The guided software options generally offer support for a broader range of tax situations. Also, if you're not very comfortable with tax terms or the filing process, the guided options provide step-by-step guidance and explanations.
So if I'm itemizing, which sounds more complex, I'd probably want the help of guided software, right?
Precisely. If your situation is more involved, you'll likely benefit from the extra support and features of guided software.
So, to recap, if you're eligible, Free File provides two primary options: IRS Direct File, which is simple and direct for basic tax returns, and guided tax software, offering more support and features for potentially more complex situations. We highly encourage you to check out IRS.gov/freefile to determine your eligibility and explore the available options. It's a valuable resource that could save you time and money.